What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. We got more Grom content on the way, and today we're going to be looking at this Fenrir bike cover. And if some of you guys park your Groms outside, I know some of you guys like to store them in your apartments, in your homes, in the office, wherever you can to keep that thing safe. But if you've got that thing outside, I've got this cool product here from Fenrir, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at this here. I want to thank Fenrir for sponsoring this video. We've got a nice little baggie here to hold it, so that we'll call this our carrying case. We'll put this to the side. All right, so inside of the bag we have this beautiful motorcycle cover. So again, as you can see, it's starting to rain here, so if you've got your Grom parked outside, let's see how good this cover works for this bike. Wow, look at that. It is absolutely perfect. I want to thank Fenrir for making a product that works good. It's waterproof, as you can see. The bike is no longer getting wet. The water's coming down, but it's just getting onto the cover because the bike is now protected by this product. So let's go in for a closer look. And again, we also have these straps to keep everything in place so that the cover does not lift off and go anywhere. And you also have this drawstring at the bottom too if you want to tighten things up. But that is a beautiful cover for the Honda Grom. So here it is, the Fenrir waterproof outdoor all-season protection for your Honda Grom, your Monkey, your Navi, any of those mini motos. You go ahead and you get yourself this product right here. So if you're interested in picking up one of these, hop on the Fenrir website, use this code right here to go ahead and get yourself 5% off of your purchase. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.